Good morning, class. Yesterday I explained you this first poem, that is When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. I hope that you all understand the meaning of the poem very well and you all written your poem along with your poet's name in your course copy. So right now I am going to tell you one thing. In book page number 12, I think you all can see the page number. Here is given the word meanings. Okay, students, so you all have to copy these word meanings in your course copy. Like first is astronomer. Astronomer means a scientist who studies stars, moons, planets and other objects in space. Next is learned. Learned means well educated. You all have to write in your copy only well educated. Don't write other 4 lines which is given in your book. Just write the word learned and put the dash over here, and meaning is well educated. Okay, you no need to write these 4 lines. Third is lectured. Lectured means to give a talk or presentation on one subject or a subject. Next is lecture room. So lecture room, you have to write the whole thing in your copy. That is, in the 19th century, people often went to listen to talks by experts on a range of subjects. These were held in public rooms or in community hall. Okay. Next is mystical. Mystical means having or inspiring awe or fascination. Last one is proofs. Proofs means evidence that a mathematical equation is true. Okay, students. So you all have to write your these word meanings where you written your poem along with your poet's name. You have to write these word meanings below the poem. Don't waste your page. Okay, so copy your word meanings in your course copy. After copying the word meanings, you all have to note the question answer. Today 14th May is there, so I have to complete the 4 answers of your this poem. So first question is, in the first hall of the poem, where is the poet? So answer is, in the first half of the poem, the poet is sitting in a lecture room. Okay, students. Second question. In the first half of the poem, who is the poet with and what is he doing? So your answer is, he is sitting in a lecture room along with many other listeners, listening to a lecture delivered by a learned astronomer about stars. Okay, students. Now third question. Which words or phrases show that the astronomer is respected by the poet and the audience? So see the third answer. Phrase like learned astronomer, which you have to written within single inverted comma. After that comma, again you have to make your single inverted comma. Much applause in the lecture room. Close your single inverted comma. Suggest that the astronomer about stars. Okay. Now, fourth question. See the fourth question in your book. What scientific tools and methods does the astronomer use? So your answer will be, the astronomer used mathematical proofs, figures, charts, diagrams along with measurements to substantiate his point in the lecture room. Substantiate means to clear, to explain. Okay. So these are the 4 question answers of your poem. You all have to write in your course copy. After seeing this video, listen the words very carefully, students. Don't make mistakes the spellings. because some students are doing their work very fast but the spellings are wrong. So if I am sending you the pic of all the answers, then why all are in a hurry? Do your work, take your time, do your work, and then submit it to me. Okay? After this video, I am going to send you the pic also, but after 10 minutes. So listen the video very carefully. After this video, wait for 10 minutes. I will send you the pic. Okay? Don't ask me for a pic. I know that you all have to write the answers clearly, and if you will not get the pic, then how will you write? So don't ask me for a pic that please ma'am send me the pic of this and send me the pic of that. Don't say anything. After explaining, after the video, I will give you the pic of the answers within 10 minutes. Okay students? So do your work very properly, and tomorrow you all have to take your this course copy and course book again with your pen and pencil, and I will complete the rest of the answers, that is E, F and G. Today what you did, that you have to note the word meanings. After that 4 questions. Read the questions and then write the answers. You have to know the meaning. You have to clear your doubts while writing your question with your answers. Okay. So thank you class. Take care.